Hello everyone, it's 4th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, which is the world page, we have Putin partially accepts US plan for peace in Ukraine. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Macron to meet Xi, discuss trade ties. Then we have Pakistan and Afghanistan agree to maintain truce after fresh talks. Then we have collective failure of government and House court Gen Z protests, Nepal Prime Minister to Supreme Court, again very important. Then we have Hamas says it has handed over body of Gaza hostages, Israel to open Rafah crossing. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have day after defending it, government scraps Sanchar Santhi order, again very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have armed struggle failed in India, urge all to come out, again very important. Then we have TMC raises heat on SIR, Prime Minister asks MPs to temper a pitch in Bengal, again very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have Summit 2026 plan to combat pollution by year end, Minister tells NCR states, again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have BJP backed 7 MCD wards in Bipole. Aam Aadmi Party wins 3, Congress 1. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have Red Fort blast. The Delhi police sends finance ministry list of owners of damaged vehicles. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have Delhi has to extend sewage treatment capacity, says DGB. Again, very important for development perspective. Moving forward, we have finance minister says tobacco excise duty will be shared with states. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have Bihar government to create 1 crore jobs in next 5 years, says governor. Again, very important for society as well as employment perspective. Then we have the editorial page where we have 2 important editorials. To scale up our climate ambition as a 7-point plan. Then we have parliament is trapped in a cycle of disruption, democracy is paying the price. Both the editorials are very important. Moving forward, we have students, teachers face off against absentee. VC Tejpur University comes to a standstill. Again, very important for education perspective. Then we have acquitted of spying, ex-BrahMos engineer ready to full run marathon, but science is behind him. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have Putin's visit, the long arc of India's ties with Russia, the road ahead, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have rupee breaches 90 mark, what's driving the slide, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have national security concerns and Trump's immigration crackdown, again very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.